Greetings everyone. I, Dr. Jashandeep Singh Tillon, postgraduate student in Department of Prosthodontics and Crown and Bridge in Shri Guru Ramdas Institute of Dental Sciences and Research, Shri Amritsar, hereby presenting a video on novel technique of finger prosthesis, that is STEM technique. Finger amputations are the most common amputation of upper limb. They influences hand function, general functioning and quality of life. Occasionally, traumatically amputated fingers may be reimplanted or reattached. However, in some cases, reattachment of the amputated finger is not possible due to the patient's discomfort, as there is a risk that reattachment part could be chronically painful. Usually, the terminal most portion of the amputated flange is quite globular and thicker than rest of the stem. So the prosthetic rehabilitation of this part is quite challenging and it requires a thin type of prosthesis with meticulous carving to make it lifelike. In this video, I have presenting a case of novel technique for the replication of the dorsal and the ventral anatomy in the finger prosthesis. The technique is named as STEM technique. In the next video is presented. The armamentarium include silicone elastomers, intrinsic color for shade matching, glass slab, wax sheet, wax knife, spatula, impression of the finger with alginate, spirit lamp and alginate. First of all, the impression of the hand is made with the alginate and poured with type 4 dental plaster. Now, the 1 mm of the scoring and sandpapering is done in order to get the smooth surface as depicted in this video. Now the impression of the finger of the contralateral hand is made for the fabrication of wax pattern and alginate stem. Wax is broken into the large number of small pieces and it is melted on the spirit lamp till it's completely melt so that it can easily flow into the impression. And then this is poured into the impression and it is allowed to set for some time till it gets hard. When the wax gets hard, impression is removed from the glass. After that, the two cuts are given in the vertical direction with the blade in the impression. This is then divided into the two pieces in order to get the wax pattern. This shows the retrieval of the wax pattern. Now the wax pattern is cut till desired length and the alginate is also cut into the two thin sections for the stamp. Now this is placed in water so that alginate imbibes water and swell. Vaseline is applied over the surface and 1 mm of the wax sheet is gently heated over flame and it is made to cover the residual stem as shown in this video. Then with the help of the wax knife, all the surface gets smoother and there will be no undercut present. Now with the help of the vernier caliper, desired part is measured and the wax pattern is joined to the wax on the stamp. After that, now both the dorsal and the ventral part of the alginate stamp is cut into the desired length with the blade very carefully. Now with the help of the chip blower or flame, the dorsal part of the residual stamp gets softened and the alginate stamp is placed over it to duplicate the anatomy. Similar procedure is done on the ventral side. This is the final outcome of the wax pattern. This wax pattern replicates very precisely. Now the wax trial is done in patient and the final prosthesis is made with the silicone material and then it is delivered to the patient.